this session, we are going to discuss APs with variable. Means what? We have learned about AP, sum, and finding the term, the common difference, everything we learn about the AP, different cases as well. Now we are going to talk about APs where any variable is given, like B and C over here, then X over here, maybe whole AP is in terms of variables, right? So how to solve those questions? That questions we are going to discuss in this session. Let's start with the first most simple question. If you are getting the idea, go ahead with it. It's really good. Nice. First question. Find the value of X. We need to find the value of X, simple. So that -6, X and 8 are in AP. So what is the value of X? Then all these three should be in AP. So recall the first session of this chapter. What we were doing? We always give the name, which is A1, A2 and A3. So first of all, I am going to get the difference. Why am I going to get the difference? Most important concept over here. Why am I going to get the difference? Because it is given that this is AP, this should be AP, and recall the condition to be AP, common difference should be equal. If I subtract this two, same one answer I should get, and if I subtract this two, I should be getting the same answer. So difference should be equal. That is the most important condition you need to remember to solve this kind of questions. Let's do it. So first difference, A2 minus A1, which is X minus 6. Why there are two minus? One minus for the formula and another minus is for the, it is in the term -6. So let's simplify X plus 6. Then let's take the second difference, which is A3 minus A2. A3 is what? 8 minus A2, which is X, right? So there are two difference. Now it should be AP. It is given that all this term should be in AP. So I'm going to compare the difference. I'm going to take difference equal, which is A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2, right? So what's the answer of this? X plus 6 is equal to 8 minus X, right? This is linear equation in one variable. Very simple. I'm going to collect X on the one side and numbers on the another side. So if I shift X over here, it will become positive because it is negative that side. And I will be shifting this plus 6 and it will become negative. So X plus X is equal to 8 minus 6. So 2X is equal to 2. 2 will go into denominator. So X is equal to 1. So if I take X is equal to 1, these three numbers will be in AP. Let's recall how we did it. So three terms are given. To form AP, most important condition, you should be having same common difference. So I have taken the common difference, I have equated them and get the value of X. Let's discuss next question. In the next question, we are going to do same thing, but here there are two variables, B and C. Here we had only one variable, which is X, so it was easy. Let's see how to do over here. Read the question first. If 5, B, C, 14 are the consecutive terms of AP, then B plus C is equal to dash. So there are two variables, so we need to find the value of sum of it, which is B plus C. So don't get afraid. First of all, give the numbers or numbers to the term. Let's do it. Here A1, then A2, then A3 and A4. Four terms are there. So I'm going to take the difference. A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 is equal to what? B minus 5. Done. Next, I'm going to take difference of these two terms. A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. It is what? 14 minus C. Simple. Now, we need to take the difference equal. So, same I am going to do over here, which is A2 minus a1 is equal to a4 minus a3. So what is the value of a2 minus a1? B minus 5, B minus 5. A4 minus a3 is 14 minus c. So 14 minus c. Now see over here. We want b plus c. We need to take c over that side. Simple. Then b and c will be together. And I will be shifting 5 over here. So c over this side, it will become positive. Minus 5 over that side, it will become it will also become positive. So b plus c is equal to 14 plus 5. See, we are directly getting b plus c. We don't need to get individual value of b and c. Remember, we are not getting the individual value of b and c, but we are getting the sum of it. And the same is asked in the question. So here 19. B plus c is equal to 19. So this is how we get the sum of two variables. Let's do other questions. Next question. What is the next term in AP? 1 over P, 1 minus P over P, 1 minus 2P over P. So can you guess the answer? What could be the answer? Okay, method we are going to do. I wanted to guess the answer. Okay, so what could be the next term? What could be the next term? It's so simple. First you subtract 1p, then you subtract 2p, then you subtract 3p. So answer should be p 1 minus 3p over p. Let's verify it. So first term a is equal to 1 upon p, right? Let's say a1, and a2 is 1 minus p over p, right? First of all, let's find the common difference. How to get the common difference? Subtract them. 1 minus p over p minus 1 over p. So you can see that denominators are equal. So 1 minus p minus 1 over p. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus p over p. P get cancelled. So minus 1 is the common difference. So we get the common difference. To get the next term, what do? We add the common difference. Let's add the common difference. So here we have 1 minus 2p over p. I am going to add the common difference. So it is plus minus 1. So basically it will be minus 1 only. And let's take the LCM. Here nothing. So p I will be multiplying 1 over here and multiply p. So 1 minus 2p, then minus p over p. So 1 minus 3p over p is the next term. That is our answer. You can do even mental calculation. Subtract p, 1p, then 2p, then 3p, then 4p and 5p. Simple. Let's discuss next term. Show that a minus b whole square, a square plus b square and a plus b whole square are in AP. We need to show that they are in AP. Okay, we need to think about the condition to be AP. What's that? Common difference should be equal. So if I subtract second term minus first term, I will get one answer. Then I'm going to subtract third term and second term. I will get another answer. And I'm going to see, are we getting the same answers? If answer is same, it is AP. And if it is not, then it's not. Okay, let's do it. So let's start with the second term minus first term. So a square plus b square minus a minus b whole square. Let's simplify. A square plus b square minus, here use the identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's the answer. Now you see, before we simplify, there is a negative sign before the bracket. So I need to change every sign of the terms, which is a square plus b square. This will become minus a square. Negative will become plus 2ab. This plus will become negative b square. Now, can we do any kind of cancellation? Yes. A square and negative a square. Positive b square, negative b square. So what's left? Only 2ab. So 2ab. That's the difference of second and first term. Now let's get the difference of third term and the second term. Let's do it. So what I will be writing here, a plus b whole square minus, what will I be writing, second term, which is a square plus b square. So let's use the identity over here, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and as it is minus, I am going to change sign of each term. It will become minus a square, it will become minus b square. Now can we cancel anything? Yes, a square and minus a square, b square and minus b square. So what's left here? 2ab. See the common difference, 2ab here and common difference 2ab. So common difference is same. So what's the conclusion? All these three terms are in AP. Remember, whenever we need to prove that terms are in AP, we need to see the common difference and compare it. If it is equal, it is AP, and if it is not, it's not. Let's discuss last question. If 3k minus 2, 4k minus 6, k plus 2 are three consecutive terms of AP, it is given these three terms are of AP. AP is given, what condition? Think. Then find the value of k. We have discussed a first case, first sum like this. We were finding only one variable k, and variable was there only in one term, middle, minus 6x 8, right? Second question also we did. There were two variables, but here variable is there in all three terms. So we are going to use the same concept. We are going to do subtraction of second term and one term, get the answer. Then third term and second term, get the answer, and compare them and simplify and get the answer. So let's do it. First of all, let's name. This is A1, this is A2, and this is A3. Why have I given the name A1, A2, A3? It is given that these three terms are in AP. So first of all, I will be doing A2 minus A1, value of A2, which is 4k minus 6, minus A1, which is 3k minus 2. So 4k minus 6 as it is, and there is a minus sign before the bracket. I need to change the sign of each term. This 3k will become minus 3k, this minus 2 will become plus 2. Let's simplify. 4k and minus 3k, what's the value? K only. Minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. That's done. A2 minus A1, second term minus first term. Answer is k minus 4. Let's do same for A3 minus A2. Let's do it. A3 minus A2, which is A3 value is k plus 2 minus, in bracket. Why bracket? Because there are two terms, 4k minus 6, 4k minus 6. So here k plus 2 as it is. There is negative sign before the bracket, so I need to change the sign of each term. So minus 4k and minus 6 will become plus 6. So let's solve. K minus 4k will give you minus 3k, plus 2 plus 6 will give you plus 8. Now guess what are we going to do? We are going to compare the difference because it is given these terms are in AP. So difference should also be equal. Let's do it. A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2, right? Let's write the terms. Here k minus 4 is equal to, what's the value of A3 minus A2? Minus 3k plus 8, minus 3k plus 8. Let's simplify. I will be taking all the k's on one side, means variable on one side, numbers on the another side. Let's do it. So minus 3k if I shift, it will become positive. Minus 4 if I shift, it will also become positive. So k, then plus 3k is equal to 8 and plus 4. So 4k is equal to 8 plus 4, 12. K is equal to 12 by 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are, so k is equal to 4, my final answer. So if I take k is equal to 4 value, then all these three terms will be in AP. We got the difference, equate the difference, solve it and get the answer. So in this chapter, we discuss what is AP, arithmetic progression. We discuss what are the conditions to be AP. We discuss how to decide is it AP or not from the common difference. Then we learn about how to find the specific number of term in the AP with the formula AN, maybe 10th term, 11th term, 12th term, right? Then we learn about how to find the sum of the specific terms, like sum till the 10 terms or 12 terms. So this was our chapter arithmetic progression.